Hello friends, and welcome back to Lendermans Shop Basics. Yes, I am sitting on a toilet because today I'm going to teach you that it only takes a few minutes to get your toilet bowl nice and clean. Let's get started. Here are the items that you will need to make your toilet fresh again. First, a vacuum cleaner of some sort. Second, cleaning gloves. Next, toilet bowl cleaner. A toilet bowl brush. And I like to use disinfecting wipes. If you don't have these, you can also use a disinfecting spray with paper towels. Whatever you have around the house will be just fine. Step one, go ahead and clean with the vacuum cleaner all around the toilet. Take time at this point to vacuum the floor, get some of the detail in your bathroom, and then make sure you get as much dust and hair off the toilet as you can. Be careful to be sure that you don't let the vacuum cleaner touch any part of the water or even get near the water. Step two, take your toilet bowl cleaner and go ahead and squirt it under the rim all the way around. Step three, take your toilet bowl brush and brush aggressively, starting with underneath the rim, scrub, scrub, scrub all the way around, and then work your way down in the bowl all the way to the bottom, scrubbing all the way as you go. Let the soap sit in the toilet bowl as you're wiping down everything else on the toilet. Step four, take your wipes or your paper towel and spray and go ahead and clean the lid, top part of the lid, bottom part of the lid, and then give a nice clean wipe to the toilet seat surface, underneath the toilet seat, and then work the upper edge of the toilet bowl itself. Be sure to work the back of the toilet area as well. The last step is to go ahead and clean underneath the toilet bowl itself, the part that you can't see. You will be surprised / disgusted of what you clean off of that part of the toilet. Then, after you're done all the wiping down, go ahead and take a paper towel or some toilet tissue and go ahead and wipe down just to make sure everything's dry once you're done. And then give your toilet a flush. And there you have it. After about 5 minutes of work, you have a nice clean toilet and you'll be happy to have any guests coming over to use your powder room or your bathroom. That's it for now. Take care.